Yes.
Yeah, myself Subba Reddy. I have attended for Kishore sir Candlestick pattern today. So class is very nice and a lot of patterns and hidden things, a lot of things learned. So it is valuable for worthwise money and subject, given a lot of subject in this class. The main thing everybody is the practice the enter the subject and you can achieve your means you can become a successful trader. Without practice, you can't do anything.
Okay. How about the food?
Food is it's nice, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Good evening, sir. This myself is Raju. I have attended your Kishore sir's workshop in Hyderabad branch. Then I had been waiting for Kishore sir's workshop since 1.5 years. Then after attending the sir's workshop, I felt very happy and as well as I learned so many strategies, the very accuracy strategies. Then today I'm feeling very proud of Kishore sir's class
Thank you.
by listening. Then I got confidence also by listening sir's class. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much teaching us.
Okay.
After attending your class, I got confidence.
Super. How did you got me? By Telegram or YouTube?
By Telegram channel, sir. I followed you.
Super, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
very
sir.
much. And you, sir. You can see now, no issues. Sit down.
Hello, my name is Sai Kumar. I attended the Kishore Sir section today. The section is very much useful. I'm getting a lot of confidence. Before this, I don't have any knowledge about the candlesticks. I thought only technical indicators is the main important. So after attending the Kishore Sir section, I came to know that technical is nothing. The candlestick is the main chapter to gain the knowledge. So it is very useful section.
So, practice, how much required?
Yeah, practice is very much required because it is in advanced levels. So we need to practice and we will implement. We need to implement. Then after we can gain the knowledge much.
Okay. So, it is possible to make the money in this market using
Yes,
with the
definitely
candle.
we can make the money. It is a very useful section. Everyone need to attend it.
Okay. So, must require the practice, right?
Yes, yes. Practice and make money.
Definitely. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.